Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to self-host N8N. N8N is an open-source workflow automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services together, and hosting it yourself gives you full control and flexibility. To begin, download and install Node.js from the official website. Select the Windows version to download. During the installation, simply go with the default options as these settings work well for most users. After the installation finishes, open the Windows command prompt. Here, type the command npm install N8N to install N8N globally on your system. This step may take a little while, so give it some time to complete. When the first phase of the installation is finished, type N8N into the command prompt. Once the process completes, you'll see a message prompting you to press O to open N8N in your browser. Press O and your default browser will launch, taking you to the N8N account setup page. Follow the instructions displayed on the page to create and configure your account. You can get the license key by going to your mail and then activate the account. After completing the setup, you'll have access to the N8N dashboard and its workflow automation features. However, before you start using the application, it's important to make sure it's fully updated. Keeping N8N updated ensures that you have the latest features and bug fixes. To run the update, return to the command prompt and type npm update N8N. The update process, like the installation, can take some time, so be patient and let it finish. Once the update has been applied successfully, type N8N again and press O to relaunch the application in your browser. At this point, you now have a fully self-hosted version of N8N running with Node.js on your computer. If you try to go back to the editor in your browser without running the command again, the page will not load and you will see an error saying the site cannot be reached. That is normal because N8N only runs when you start it through the terminal. Anytime you want to use the local version, you need to open your command prompt or terminal and run the N8N start command. Once it is up and running again, you can refresh your browser and the editor will be accessible.